Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can find your size on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for the products. So for example, we're gonna search for shoes. Firstly, come to this search bar right here, and then make sure that you select products. And here, search for any product that you want. So we're gonna type shoes. You can also search by image right here by clicking on this little image icon and then uploading the image from your PC. So after typing your product's name or link, go ahead and click on search, and then the results will be loaded. As you can see, guys, those are the results for my search. You can choose any shoes that you want or product that you want. So, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in the product page. From here, you can see the images. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the product name. Under it, you're going to find the price. Right here, you're going to find some informations about the shipping. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the size. So right here, you can find your size. So go ahead and click on the size that you want to buy. Right here, you need to choose the color that you want to buy. And then right here, lastly, the quantity. Once you do that, just scroll down. Right here, click to agree to the notes. And then you can click on buy now. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.